So this is a sample of some very typical math work where students had to show their thinking. So I'll push replay, and this is happening in real time. So you see that the place value discs are drawn really, really fast. That means that's how fast they drew them. So I wonder if they drew them on a separate piece of paper first and was just filling this in second, or if maybe some of their mistakes happened because they did it so fast. I'm also noticing that they didn't draw everything that I modeled. So if we were doing this in class, they would have had to count a bundle of 10 and circle it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So if I could write over this, I would have drawn a circle around here and put an arrow going to the tens place with another disc. So they didn't show that, so maybe that's where their misconceptions lie. They don't really understand the full procedure because their answer isn't right, but it's close. So 8 plus 4 is 12. They knew to carry the 1. So I also know that the student who did this is also getting additional help from their parents, which are doing math the old school way, which is fine. I told them they're allowed to help their kids and they're allowed to teach them that way, but maybe there's some confusion between the two different models of doing this problem. But 8 plus 2 is 10, and they forgot to add in this 1. And then they got the rest correct as well. So I know the student has a really good grasp on this addition problem, but they might need just a little more practice, and they might need just a quick little explanation of why when we draw the picture we do this and why mom does this at home. So they weren't far off though. So there's student learning in math.